just look at my Chinese name. Okay, I'm Tan Dong Qiang. So why I say people actually easy to remember me is actually during Chinese New Year period I conquer the whole world in the Chinese market. Why I say so? Sorry. Just give me a moment. Okay, why I say so? Just look at my name, Dong Qiang. I'm sure that you all should know about some Chinese New Year song about Dong Dong Qiang and so on, right? Yeah, that's how my name actually comes from. Okay, because I'm born in, like I say, Aquarians. I'm born near Chinese New Year period. That's how I believe my name came from. So subsequently, I have four other cousins named after me, because I'm the eldest grandson. So that's about me in a fun way to actually remember me. So just remember by my Dong Dong Qiang, I'm okay with it, or you can call me Anson. Okay, so now we come back to the actual thing. So internet makes everything possible. You all think that, what do you think about this phrase? Internet makes everything possible.
Very true.
Why very true? Okay. Now you see, almost 90% of us now, we are actually being conquered by this thing called internet. Am I right? Now every day, daily, we are actually using internet without knowing as well. We communicate people through internet. We post our things through internet. And actually we can find our friends through internet. So internet actually really makes everything possible. Next, for what is time freedom? Okay, time freedom is basically we can plan our own schedule. We handle our own timing and financial security. Just look at this table. Okay, what financial and uneducated people will do is basically this is it. Okay, this is us. We work and we will have this thing called income. Alright, because we work, we all have all the salary and so on. Okay, and subsequently when we have this income, we of course buy our needs and wants. Okay, and what financial smart people do? Same thing. They work and they have this income, and of course they generate more income by that. And subsequently they will do this thing called save and invest. So to help them build up their income. So what is the thing that we actually want? Okay, what financial independent people do? They work. Same thing. We work. Okay, we have this income, and we can buy these needs and wants. But we also have this thing called time freedom. Meaning what? Okay, I handle my time myself. I don't have any working hours. Okay, I decide what to do and when to do at any point of time. That's time freedom. We handle our time. Okay, and now we got this financial security. Okay, we can actually don't just need to buy our needs first. We can actually satisfy our wants as well. Okay, that's what we can handle in this time freedom and this financial security. So I say with this time freedom and financial security, okay, we need this real business and made for real people like us. Okay, what is real business? Real business is actually we have no any franchise fee. Okay, we don't need to have a major startup. Okay, because like I said, all of us we may not be afford to do a big investment. We do not have this capital. Okay, a real business we do not need to have all these things. And same thing as which all of us can afford to do so. Okay, is being you or me, all of us, as long as you are people sitting down here, we can afford to do this business. And it's not just to have a dream, we can realize our dreams with this business as well. Okay, of course, with a real business, you need this thing called long-term success. And of course, you need this long-term growing trend. So what is this long-term growing trend that we are talking about? Something that will never go downwards, which is, I believe that it will be in this internet industry. Why? Because now we are doing as a 4G communication now, am I right? So do you think we will go down back to 1G? I believe for that. Why? Because if we go back to 1G, I believe the whole world will collapse. Because why? Technology is really there. Okay? And through internet, we are actually moving upwards. And of course, it's improving. We will never go down. So this is one of the industries that you can see in this project. And you can see it's moving hours and hours. So you will never see 4G will go back to 3G and subsequently to 1G. Okay. Like I say, in this internet is an incredible global growth. Why is it so? Now every one of us, 99% using internet. Not just us as adults. Okay. People like students, primary school students, they start to do e-learning also through internet. Okay. Not just students. Look at all the kids nowadays. Okay. Do they have any iPad on their hands as well? Phone. They are all playing games. So it's not just about adults using internet. Any one of us, as long as we know how to operate this thing called internet, we will be the user of the internet. And of course, through this internet, we actually without knowing, we are actually doing this referring as well. Why is it so? Okay, let's say I post this particular drink on the Facebook, my Facebook. Then subsequently, I type some words, say, hey, this is a new drink from this so and so shop. Okay, then my friend comment on this Facebook post and tell me, hey, where is this drink you bought from? Then I just introduce, oh, it's from this so and so shop. Then subsequently, they will go and try it. So is this called a refer as well? Okay, this is actually a refer without us knowing. Okay, we introduce people to this restaurant or to this drink as well, but we don't get paid. Am I right? Because why? This company don't link with us. Okay, we are actually doing a free referring for them, but we don't get any returns back from the company itself. Okay, these are just some statistics figure for what is the figure for this internet user over the worldwide. Just look at this. We have over 3 billion worldwide user and Asia user. And of course, I mentioned this, and it's continued to increase day by day. And just look at these few countries. Those countries that actually are well connected to us in Singapore. Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, Indonesia, and so on. So actually, we are in the Southeast Asia market. And you can see among all these markets, we are now the so-called first station in the Southeast Asia market to subsequently open up this business with us. And I believe these few internet companies is quite famous to you all, am I right? Okay. Who uses Microsoft? Anybody? You know, now we are using Microsoft Office, Excel to do our work daily, all these things. Facebook, I believe, now you just take out your phone and see. Almost everybody has this application on your phone, am I right? And of course, Google search and so on. So these are all some other examples of the internet companies that actually we are helping them to gain this revenue for the company. Okay, because why? We are the free user of them. With this, start our own internet business by helping others to enhance their personal life through business and of course through internet. Okay, we can actually, what I mentioned in the earlier stage, internet makes everything possible. Okay, not just by making friends, not just by communication, but we can actually earn money through internet. Alright. So welcome to Udash. Okay, we started in 11 years ago. Okay, we are a US company incorporated together with Japan market. Okay, and currently now Singapore market is new. Okay, we recently just officially opened on 11th May of this year. Okay, now it's about 1 month old. And just look at this is our company. Okay, this is our main office in Irvine, California. Recently we just moved into this area. Okay, this rated the top 20% energy saving building. Okay, we just moved in earlier this month, okay, in June. And next you can see on the right, this is Taipei 101. Okay, it's one of the iconic places in Taipei, am I right? So our main office in Taipei is in this area. And of course in Hong Kong as well. Okay, next, this is our person that we must know. Okay, this is our CEO and chairman of the company. Okay, he's Mr. J. Matthews. Okay, we ourselves, we named him a billionaire making machine. Why I say so? Earlier in 90s, okay, even during when I was just born, okay, he actually helped a company called Quorum to bring up their revenue in 1,200 times. Okay, if let's say I'm the investor during that point of time, I invest 100 million. So 4 years later, he helped these people to actually become a billionaire subsequently, okay, within years. And 1,200 times is not easy. So how much you earn subsequently, you can think about it. Okay. Next, you can see this is our interrupt market. The one in yellow is the market we have already opened. Okay, in Japan, Taiwan, and of course our biggest Chinese market in China. Okay, these are the market that we actually opened up already. And now subsequently, the one in blue is the market that we will be opening up. Okay, let's look at it. It's more part of the Southeast Asian market. And where Singapore, you can see here. We are just one small military dot here, is the yellow dot. Okay. So all this country that around us is not open yet, meaning what? We have a great opportunity to do great business. Why? Because we are actually one step faster than the rest of them. Okay, in Southeast Asia. Okay, what is our company actually doing? Okay, we are doing this IRIS applications. What is IRIS stand for? It's actually Interrush with our company name and Internet Suite. So this is what actually we are doing in our company. This is what we actually all of us will sign up for as a user. Okay, we have this cloud-based IT applications for all of us to so-called use it as well. It's actually basically our daily life. We have been using these applications as well. Okay, under communication, we have a series of communication applications that we can actually use it with our company software. Okay, first I will just introduce to you this communication application is called iFilter2. So what is this iFilter2? Okay, it's basically an internet call applications. But I believe that now you all know that application call, that internet application call is more and more applications that are going into this area. Why? WhatsApp now recently also come in with this internet call, am I right? But for this iFilter, what is different between them and us? Okay, if we are using iFilter, me and you, we don't need to have a common application. Meaning what? I'm a member of this company. I have this iFilter2, but you don't. Okay, it doesn't matter. I can use through this application. I still can communicate to you. Okay, I just need to have your phone number in the country. I can communicate. Doesn't need to call to your phone line. I can even call to your house, to the landline. No problem. That's the difference between our internet call and the rest of the internet calls as well. Okay, like for example, if you're using WhatsApp, both of us must have WhatsApp. Then we can communicate each other, right? WeChat, Line, all these things. All these things, we must have a common application. Then we can actually use it to call each other as well. Okay, next we have this Vmail. What is Vmail? Okay, V stands for video and of course email. It's a combination of video and email. Okay, now you know when we are using Google Mail and some other hotmail.com, all these things we are using by words to send emails out to people, if not by attachment, photos. Am I right? And there's a limitation to the space. It's by 2-digit megabyte. Am I right? So what is this Vmail that we have is actually we can incorporate together with a video as well as words that you want to tell your friends about this video and so on, to tell your friends about this moment. Okay, through this Vmail you can do it. Okay, let's look at this on my right bottom. Okay, this is a small platform. You can actually see is the video playing. Okay, you just have to click play. At the same time, you can see all the words that you will be typing as well. Okay, this is the email that you can send to your friends. Doesn't need to be a member with us. You can send to Gmail. You can send to Hotmail. Any platform also can through our application, email application. Next, we have this Meet tool. So what is this Meet tool? Basically, it's a video conferencing call. Okay, and at the same time, we have other free application call as well, am I right? Skype, all these things. It's how we communicate to friends. Or probably we are doing our project work as well. That's how we can use this internet call conference that we can actually discuss work at home and so on. Okay, what is different between us and them as well? Okay, just look at these few buttons that we have. We can actually share documents at the same time when we are talking. Okay, meaning what? We can actually share our PowerPoints like with our teammates. That actually these are my portion of work. Okay, you can take a look. Okay, we can even post questions and then we can do this voting. So do you think you agree with this so and so or the other person? As well as we can also share video through this video conferencing. Okay, this is what we have an additional. And webcast is actually similar to Meet tool. And what is the difference? Is actually for webcast, it's more for a bigger audience, like for a seminar purpose. Okay, basically we just have to, like I'm the speaker of the day for now. Okay, actually I don't need to be here. I can use this webcast to actually communicate with you through this webcast application. You just have to same thing. Listen to what I'm talking and delivering this message to you. Okay, this is for big seminar to hundreds or even to thousands. Okay, same thing. You can post question, but you will be posting question in words. Okay, because this is more for like I thought you all listen, that kind of thing. Okay. Next, we have this WebBrush. So what is WebBrush? It's actually a blog platform that we can use it. Okay, like instead of using Blogshop and so on, this is one of the platforms we can use. And our blog is actually linked up with Facebook that we can actually share through our blog to Facebook. So it's basically what we are doing every day as well. Okay, we are also serving Facebook, looking at people photos and so on. Okay, through this web brush, we can actually use it to also share things with our friends and family and so on. Okay, next is this Iris Studio. What is Iris Studio? It's basically a photo album storage. Then at the same time, when you are storing this photo, you can do some voice recording and connect together with the photo as well. You want to share your moments about these photos with your friends. Okay, that's something that is new to us as well. Okay, because basically it's always photo and by video, voice over as well. And next we have this Vidalog. Vidalog is a cloud-based application that we have this. In my homework is an additional hard disk. Why I say so? Once you join, we have this 500 GB to actually store our photos or even our videos and documents and so on. And at the same time, if let's say me and my friends we are the user of this Vidalog, okay, we can do a file sharing to each other. Okay, up to 200 MB. Okay, any videos that you can actually share with your friends. And you can also do this security level is to set timing to share with your friends. For example, today I post this video, okay, of my talk for today. Okay, I only allow people to download from today until tomorrow 2359. Okay, this is a thing that we can actually do it, and there's a security level that people can download the video during this point of time. And subsequently, if the deadline ends and nobody can actually access to this file sharing already. Okay. Next, we have this Iris Expo. Iris Expo is actually doing animation kind of whether you incorporate together with your blog to do some animation banners or even animation cards, greeting cards to send to your friends as well. Through this application, we can do it. Okay. And next is this Iris Print. Difference between Iris Print and Iris Expo is for the print is more on the 2D platform, meaning what you can do a birthday card as well and print it out and send to your friends. Do your name cards, your brochure, and so on. So through this application, it's an easy to use application to do all this kind of. We don't need to be a professional to do it, okay? Because we have this application to help us do it. Next, this e-learning. Now you know in Singapore education, we are also introducing to this e-learning program. So people in a student, they can actually learn things at home, maybe during certain amount of time and so on. So through this e-learning, we can, for now we have this English Academy, okay, to actually to guide your children and so on, or even you yourself can learn more English standard. We have actually 3 different categories: the beginner, advanced, and experts. Okay, through this e-learning, you can actually learn more and actually know what is the proper pronunciation. Okay, through this e-learning applications. And subsequently, we can also answer questions through this application to also test what's your level of English language. Next, we have this iRacing.com. iRacing.com is a F1 racing game. Okay, it's sold to our company Interrush, and we can actually really feel virtually how does a F1 racing feels like. Okay, it's a more to a virtual kind of experience. Okay, and through this application, we can actually really play for a real-time kind of car racing competition. And because we are one of the sponsors for this year September, we are also one of the sponsors for this F1 racing in Singapore. Okay, September 18, you know there's this night racing. Okay, we are one of the sponsors for this F1 racing as well. So during that point of time, you can actually see our business, our company actually will be exposed out to more people. Okay. Next, under marketing, we have this e-com. E-com is actually an email database, okay, where we can store all our email into this e-com application. So we can actually split into categories, into 6 different groups. You can name one of the category to your friends, family, and so on. And through this email database, we can send a mass sending to your friends. Okay, like greeting cards that you have done it earlier to actually send to your friends and family and so on. So through these email applications, this e-com application is an email storage and to categorize your email category. And as well as using this email database, company will as well send some newsletter through those emails that we actually key in to help us promote certain items, where we can share some of the commission through that. Later I'll explain to you what is it. This is some of the e-commerce things we are selling in our company. Okay, these are some of